Hello everyone, in this video, I'm briefly sharing the key things I pay attention to when painting on a denim jacket. This design is created on a children's denim jacket, and it features two characters that kids really love, Zoey and Kuromi. For this kind of project, the materials are actually very simple: a denim jacket, fabric markers, fabric paints, and a few brushes. The first step is sketching the design directly onto the denim using a fabric marker. This step is important because the entire composition takes shape here. Next, I prepare the colors. By mixing them beforehand, I get softer, more balanced tones on the fabric. During the painting process, I always use fabric-appropriate paints and apply the paint in thin layers rather than thick ones. I don't dilute fabric paints with water. That can cause cracking. Instead, when I need better flow, I use fabric medium. Before painting, smoothing the fabric and placing cardboard underneath, and after the paint fully dries, heat setting it with an iron, both help make the result cleaner and much more durable. All the materials and technical details are listed in the description. If you've watched this far, thank you. If you're thinking about trying a similar project, feel free to leave your questions in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!